This guide will provide you with instructions to get rid of Asideredkola.club pop-up windows. So when they initially come up, the alert says just one more step, allow to continue. There is no any indication in the pop-up why exactly you need to do that. I mean, why you should click on that allow button. But in some other instances, the pop-up says that this is important to verify your age or to confirm that you are not a robot, but rather a human, and some other faulty statements may be used. So all these messages are presented in order to convince you to click on this allow button, but once this happens, the browser gets immediately hijacked. It starts displaying Asideredkola.club pop-ups randomly without your intention to see the content, and very often these ads are just absolutely disgusting. They may point your browser to many third-party websites of a very bad reputation, so we recommend you to be very careful not to click on this allow button. But if it was clicked by mistake, there is still a way to fix your browser immediately. So go to the browser menu, click on Settings, now select Site Settings, and now Notifications. You may find this malicious website, and click here and select Block. After that, the problem should no longer happen, or you may simply remove that website from the list completely. Now, I also recommend that you perform additional scanning of your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which is the reliable security software. ComboCleaner.com, that's the program you need to go to. That's the website, the official landing page of the software. Download the application and start it from the Launchpad. The program will update its antivirus database, and it will suggest that you click on the Start Combo Scan button to initiate the detailed analysis of your Mac. Because Combo Cleaner initially works as the trial version, it has some free functions such as Disk Cleaner, Big Files, or Duplicates Finder, but the antivirus is the component of the premium license only. So click on the Start Combo Scan button to begin the research of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. As you see, the antivirus section reveals 19 threads found during the scanning. So you may go to this antivirus part and click on Review Results link. This will automatically reveal all threads found during the scanning, and you will be able to find the information about where exactly these threads are located. So afterwards, you may go to the Finder, locate each specific thread, open its location, and remove each thread one at a time. As we said, Combo Cleaner Trial works as a free scanner. It gives a detailed, full report about the location of threads, their quantity, and you may remove these threads manually by going to the specific thread location or automatically, however, with the premium license of the program only.